Today I'm going to undergo 4 cosmetic treatments all on myself here in the span of like an hour and a half. It's going to be fun, interesting, and maybe a little bit painful. Thank you to Let's Get Checked for sponsoring this video. So the first treatment that I'm going to do is Botox. Now normally I inject Botox onto myself, but today I've got my expert injector Marissa who's going to be doing it for me. So it's a nice treat. Botox is nearly, painless. It's an, neurotoxin, that hurts, and it basically blocks the transmission of nerve impulses to your muscles. And it's great for those wrinkles in the glabella, which are your frown lines, and it works for about 3 to 4 months or so. So this doesn't hurt one bit. Everything I'm saying is all exaggerated because, okay. And, but it's really easy, so we do it all the time at my office here at Youn Plastic Surgery. Next, we're going to do the YPS Youn Plastic Surgery Goldfiltox Facial. The first step is to draw my blood, and then we're going to separate out the platelets, which are filled with growth factors. So people who have massive arms like myself have big veins that should be very easy to draw blood from. When you've got veins like mine, it's like Drax from Guardians of the Galaxy. These veins are so easy for somebody to get. So she is now stamping my skin with a proprietary combination of Botox, hyaluronic acid filler, and my own platelet-rich plasma. And this is stamped utilizing gold hollow micro needles where it allows that combination to go into the superficial skin layer to help plump it up. Now, for normal people, this hurts like hell, but because I have very high pain tolerance, you can see that it hardly bothers me at all. And I did not use any type of numbing medicine whatsoever because I'm just that tough. So this treatment can help a lot of different things. Some people say that their pores look better and it can give them what we call glass skin, which is a good thing. All right, we're doing sculpture now. This is non-invasive fat reduction. We're using a laser. Ooh, that's chilly. We're using a laser to basically heat up the fat in my lower abdomen to give me less fat down there. Now, I don't have a ton of fat, but I have enough. Let's go after it. Now, we can do up to 4 small areas. Each area is about the size of a deck of cards. So we're several minutes into the treatment now, and it oscillates between feeling kind of hot and prickly and feeling nice and cool and comfortable. And then it's starting to heat up again. So now I'm back in the sun. It's feeling nice and warm. Now my skin's starting to burn now. It's starting to crackle. It's sizzling. You could fry an egg on my abdomen right now. Oh, but now it's cooling. So somebody's putting some cool water on it and feels good. So it just kind of goes back and forth, back and forth. Some of my employees who don't have quite the pain tolerance that I have couldn't take this, but it's so not a big deal. And you know what? Anything to get rid of fat, right? So our last treatment today is MSculpt, and this is a muscle stimulating device that will stimulate my muscles to contract 20,000 times over a half-hour session. It's going to turn essentially my party ball tummy into a 6-pack. Ooh, that's cold. So this stimulates my muscles to contract 20,000 times over a half-hour session. And the idea is that you can stimulate the muscles to get bigger and even actually reduce the amount of fat in there as well. Now it's completely well tolerated. I'm hardly feeling a thing with it. And most people find that it's like, you know, you could sit around, you could read a book or watch TV while it's happening. Now we go into the long session. If you've ever had the sensation when you've got gastroenteritis and you're about to have diarrhea and you can feel things moving around in there and it's cramping up, that's what this feels like. And we do often combine it. Like you can see, I'm combining this with sculpture, so it can help to like stimulate my muscles to get bigger and then the sculpture to reduce the fat. So we have the best of both worlds. As you can see, the results of the treatment speak for themselves. Now we've switched up to making my biceps bigger. The good thing about this device is that you can use it for different parts of your body. And you can use it for your biceps, you can use it for your triceps, you can use it for your calves. So this is easy. I'm just going to have her turn it way up. Let's just go up to 100%. Ah! So take one last look at me, because after these treatments kick in, I'll be virtually unrecognizable. So in all seriousness, there are so many things that we can do short of surgery to help look and feel our best, from injections like you saw today, to non-invasive treatments, and everything in between. Well, I love doing little treatments like this because they have almost no risk associated with them, unlike surgery where really bad things can sometimes happen. Take a peek at this video right up here where I go over some of the plastic surgery horror stories. A couple of patients who had bad things unfortunately happen to them after surgery and how we dealt with it together. And if you've been enjoying my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and always remember, eat real food, use clean skincare, and only consider actual plastic surgery as a last resort.